Welcome to Science with Dee. Today we're going to learn all about static electricity. Have you ever walked down the hall and then got shocked by a doorknob? Or have you ever rubbed a balloon on your head and then your hair stands up? Well, that's static electricity. Well, what is static electricity? Static electricity is the buildup of a charge on an object. Everything is made of tiny particles called atoms. The amount of electrons in an atom can determine its charge. A static charge will occur when electrons from one object move to another. An object with extra electrons is negatively charged, and if it loses its electrons, then it's positively charged. When you rub a balloon on your head, it transfers the electrons from your hair to the balloon, and then there's only positive charge left. All those positively charged hairs repel away from each other. Think of it like magnets. If two of the positive charges try to come together, they push away from each other. But if a positive and a negative charge come together, they stick. Let's have some fun with static electricity. All you need is your balloon and some packing peanuts. Rip your balloon on your shirt. Let's see it work. Now we're going to make a flying snake. Draw out a spiral snake design on a piece of tissue paper. Next, cut out your tissue paper snake, get your balloon, and let's see it fly.